1, 2, 3, 4.
I ain't got your good relations, I don't need any good advice, because I came here all alone and tomorrow I'll be gone. That's the only way to live out your life. I am all your simulation, I tear down every disguise. I'm rather treated as a fool than being obedient and cruel. That's the only way to live out your life. Hey! Can help me, mama, to carry my sins that I collected all my life. And I remember that a grin, I feel much better than those times. Much better than those times. I never read your holy pages, I never said that I was wise, but I ain't gonna pay some man to keep my soul from being damned. That's the only way to live out your lives. I don't trust in my salvation, I know for sure don't live twice, so my reflection looks like me no matter how broke I might be, and that's the only way to live out your lives. Can help me, mama, to carry my sins that I collected my whole life. Rather me have been with a grin, they fit much better than those times. Much better than those times. Tried to break my back 1,000 ways. Did your best to get me to obey those bitter rules you made up all yourself. Pressure keeps your engine running, your shoes are shining and your mansion stunning, and keeps making my room look like a prison cell. Crazy dream about a long black limousine that was broken down and covered up with rust. There were wolves in the streets and vultures in the trees, and our plastic caskets had turned to dust. When I was just a little child, you looked down and told me with a smile, there ain't a goddamn thing that can't be sold. Now half of us are popping pills in vain, trying to find a way to kill this pain of failing to adopt a given role. Crazy dream about a long black limousine that was broken down and covered up with rust. There were wolves in the streets and vultures in the trees, and our plastic caskets had turned to dust. I still lie awake. I know I shouldn't, but I guess I'd take one more pill to make me drift away. All fears and doubts I conceal deep inside show up to steal my sleep at night, till all that's left's a pile of bills to pay. Crazy dream about a long black limousine that was broken down and covered up with rust. There were wolves in the streets and vultures in the trees, and our plastic caskets that turned to dust. 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 people, have you heard the news? They're gonna raise the price for a handful of rotten bread and a mouthful of lies. Don't you already feel quite weary? Don't you already feel quite small? Do you really feel at home between these concrete walls? Hey, 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 people, you ain't gonna star around here, I dare to say. You'd rather die of that cut of meat you bought so cheap today. And they keep selling fake consternation, they keep selling fake dismay. Just bring on some fall guy now and it'll be okay. TV screen. Well, it ain't that brightly colored, but it's for real indeed. No, it ain't all about safety. No, it ain't all about fear. Quit your whining now and wipe away those tears. Tells you who to love, I know, and it tells you who to hate, and it tells you all them rules to follow straight. And he never fails to keep the fool subordinate.